In the previous video, we talked about when to use the neon, glitch, and 70s text effects depending on the type of design you're creating. In this video, we're going to continue exploring more of Canva's advanced text effects and look at a few more situations where they work best. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. Let's start with the Sci-Fi effect. The Sci-Fi text style works best when placed on a dark or space-themed background. Dark backgrounds help the glowing or digital look of the text stand out more clearly. You'll also want to use bright neon or glowing colors to reinforce that futuristic aesthetic. Because of this style, the Sci-Fi effect works really well for tech-related graphics, gaming visuals, and futuristic theme designs. It's also a great choice for posters, trailers, or promotional graphics that need a high-tech look. Next, we have the Screenprint effect. This style is inspired by traditional screen printing, so it works best with clean or slightly textured backgrounds where the text can stand out clearly. You'll typically want to use bold and solid colors to match the look of printed graphics. Because of that, the Screenprint effect is perfect for merch designs, apparel graphics, and brand-related visuals. It also works well for posters, logos, and label style designs. Finally, we have the Western text style. This effect is designed to mimic the look of classic Western typography, so it works best with rustic or vintage style backgrounds. Using warm earthy colors like brown, orange, or beige also helps reinforce that classic Western aesthetic. Because of this, the Western text effect is perfect for cowboy-themed designs, vintage posters, and rustic branding. It also works well for event graphics, signage, and promotional posters. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. In the next video, we'll continue exploring more effects and look at even more design scenarios where they work best. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.